This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are met. Install Optifine or confirm your GPU drivers are up to date, because those provide the anti-aliasing and shader hooks you need. Once done, launch Minecraft using the profile that includes Optifine and make a quick backup of your settings or worlds so changes are reversible. Then, go straight to Options, select Video Settings, and prepare to adjust rendering and performance toggles. This is where anti-aliasing options appear or are enabled by mods. You now configure the anti-aliasing itself and balance quality versus performance. In Video Settings, locate anti-aliasing, smooth lighting, or a shader-specific AA option. If using a shader pack, open its settings. Set AA to 2x for minimal impact, 4x for crisper edges, or higher if your GPU can handle it, and compare FPS. Once set, make sure FZA is enabled either in the shader options or through your graphics driver control panel when Minecraft lacks a native toggle. You finish by testing and troubleshooting to ensure the change sticks. Load varied scenes, bright sky, foliage, and distant terrain to inspect edge smoothing while monitoring FPS. If performance drops, reduce render distance or lower shadows, particles, and V-Sync to regain stable frames. If anti-aliasing options are missing, update Optifine and your shader pack, or force application-level AA in your GPU driver control panel. This solves most compatibility issues and explains why some builds lack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.